Good evening, guys, from another video here in Iraq proper. And in today's video we're going to be going out into the town here, into Baghdad, and checking out some places to get some food. Here with my buddy Ty. How we doing? With his fixer over here, and then we got Luke right inside here.
Shuak Barak.
Shuak Barak. Hey, what's your name, boss? How we doing?
Brahim.
Brahim. Nice to meet you, Brahim. So we're pulling up to the place there, nicely lit up here back in the neighborhood. So it looks like this is the spot we're going to be having dinner tonight. Got a very traditional look to it. We got Ty shooting some shots here.
What's up?
What do you got, a Sony right there?
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah, nice, nice. Got the Sony man here. Salam alaikum. Oh, it's a cool looking place here. Very traditional with some live turtles in there too. A couple little baby ones. They're alive, right? Oh yeah, that one's moving. He's gonna be the yad of the trip. Yeah, yeah, he's got the big one. Yeah, yeah. We got a table over here. Let's yalla this way. Yeah, pretty sweet. You got your curtains coming in here, and oh, the food looks pretty nice here. Oh yeah. And this is our spot. I like it. It smells good. It's got a nice Middle Eastern smell to it. Yep. Oh, you haven't had a shisha?
No, not
oh yeah, it's Thai shisha virginity here in Iraq.
It's shisha.
Yo, it's definitely shisha o'clock.
Shisha o'clock is a bonus, everybody.
Yeah.
Baghdadi.
As a disclaimer, though, shisha's bad for you. Don't smoke. Oh man.
Syrian king.
Oh, Syrian king. Yeah. How long ago did you get it?
Like 3 years ago.
3 years, yeah. Nice. He's already looking left to right. Well, it's right to left, bro.
Where are the shishas? That's all that matters. Yeah. So 10,000, I'm guessing? No. 5,000?
No.
1,000? No.
This is the 10.
That's 10.
Yeah. 7.
That's 7.
Yeah. This is the 7.
Ah.
Which one's Klete?
And that is 5.
Okay.
Yeah, what Arabic words do you know these days?
Nothing.
Nothing? Salam alaikum. Yeah. Oh, you're getting pretty good.
Yalla.
Yeah, yeah. You're meant to be in Lebanon. You know French.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are there Iraqi beers there?
Here, no. There is no beer.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Figured I'd check. So how was the Iraqi beer?
It was good.
Recommend it? It's brewed here.
Yeah. It is. Well, it's brewed in Baghdad. Yeah.
What?
Ibrahim, the beer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we'll try it hopefully in another video. Maybe we can get one on the train down in one of the upcoming videos. If we make it down to Basra. Exactly. Yeah. I'm gonna get one of those and one of those and one of those. So I would equate that to chicken kebab. Chicken kebab extra toom.
Apparently no chicken.
Oh, no chicken here. Oh,
Only
alright.
meat.
It's okay with meat?
It's the lamb.
That'll do.
No, sheep.
Oh, sheep. Yeah. That sounds good.
A mussel?
Yeah, it's from like that.
Oh.
Meat inside it.
It's like a mozzarella stick with meat.
Yeah. And there is Iraqi kebab. It is not like that. It is like meat and some tomato and.
So generally speaking, like in Baghdad, anytime you order a kebab or meat, it's going to be lamb or sheep.
No, sheep.
Sheep?
Yeah.
Okay, so it'll never be beef or chicken.
No.
Okay, that's good to know.
They can't. They can't.
Ah, okay.
Cow meat is very strong. They can't put it in on the fire.
Ah, okay. That's good to know. Guys, this is how I'm figuring out what's on the menu, but every time I move it away and put it over, some of the words change. It went from becoming to swearing. And then over here, looks like we've got some chicken on the menu. I'm probably gonna go with that. Had sheep for the last meal this morning, so need to change it up a little bit today. Is cherry juice like a big thing people drink in all of proper Iraq? Yeah. So to get a server here, you say captain? You say captain to get a server?
No, I need to be want.
Oh, okay. Because I heard that in Kurdistan too. People called him captain. But like that's the way like in the U.S. you'd say like, hey boss.
Yeah.
Reyes.
Yeah, Reyes. I'll have the chicken and the rice, please. Is there anything with chicken? A chicken ball? Yeah. Sure.
One chicken ball.
A chicken ball? Yeah, what's a chicken ball? Oh, is it chicken testicles? It's testicles?
Chicken ball? Or is it just like
it's like a ball.
No.
No, I see.
It's like
Oh, like
pieces of it.
oh yeah, perfect.
Oh, yeah.
I'll do that. Yeah, and with the rice. Well, sock 10 the Iraqi coffee, bro. Yeah. Ooh.
Save that for later.
People didn't like when I did this in Kurdistan, and
I'm
shocked
at that is a crime.
That's the crime.
Why, to cool it down?
Yeah, that's a
Whoa.
crime.
No, now I can drink it.
I do not approve.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, I guess even at this table, it's not approved. I approve. It's fine. It's just the people sometimes forget that I'm not just drinking this for the flavor. I'm also drinking it mainly for the caffeine because I don't know. I'm still jet lagged from flying here from the U.S. 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna use that excuse, but I'm not really. 2 weeks ago, way over jet lag.
I've been jet lagged for 2 weeks, I feel like.
All right, well, Ty can vouch for me then. Yeah. But the coffee is really, really good, actually. With a little water, just to cool it down. It was literally like a drop, just enough so the taste buds can handle it now. My tongue isn't used to, drinking boiling hot tea, which I learned very quickly in Kurdistan when I was there the last 2 weeks that everyone drinks the tea when it's fresh off the kettle, and their tongues are just used to it. So.
Yeah, you can should drink it fast.
You tried the hummus?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was it?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah. It was alright. Then it was good when I pulled the camera. Yeah.
No, it was really good.
Yeah.
Fresh bread here. No plates needed, which is the good way. Boom.
Let's see how it compares to the Lebanese hummus.
It's good.
It's good, yeah?
Very good.
Got a nice heaping scoop there.
Yeah.
That is really good hummus.
Yeah.
All right, that's giving me good vibes that the food's gonna be super good too. If the hummus is already this good, the main courses. Let's go for, I learned this in Lebanon, you gotta get a heaping scoop. Good naan, one side's pretty crunchy and the other side's got a nice chew to it. Actually, I'd say this is probably more of like the first actual Iraqi meal we've had. If you saw in the first impressions video, we ended up at a place that we thought was the Iraqi Travelers Cafe, but it's just a place where the group, which is an online group, meets. And so we had some Western food, which was great, but we're here for the true Iraqi cuisine, which is gonna be so good, I can already tell. Oh, more bread. Oh, look at that thing.
Oh, so we basically got the same thing, man, but you got chicken and I got lamb.
Oh yeah. It's like I can roll this up into a nice big burrito. Yum, look at this. So it looks kind of like a kebab. So this is gonna be good. I'm thinking I might need to eat this whole thing like a burrito. Yeah, this is how I love to eat them. It's a little taste of the Middle Eastern culture back with how I like to enjoy a meal, which is rolling it up in, at least back home, in a tortilla. So we've got a whole bunch of good stuff here. We got the douma. Doma. So it's Thai's go-to in every Middle Eastern country. Yeah. So that looks pretty good. That's definitely a plate full of food that'll keep you going for days. Got some rice, and Luke got the same thing as me, except with a little lamb on there, or sheep.
Same stuff, basically.
Yeah. So I got to start out with the Iraqi juice here, which is grape juice that I guess is called raisin juice. Whoa, it tastes just like the liquid form of raisins. Luke's reaction was a bit more like, you can taste the grape, you can taste the raisin. But honestly, this reminds me of like when I was a kid, I had these little red packets of raisins that were dried out, obviously, because they're raisins. But that tasted literally like a blended up form with liquid in it. Quite good though. I like it better than raisins. Let's try out the meal here. I'm thinking, all right, let's toss one of those in there, one of those in there. A little bit of lemon juice. Oh, it's just sprayed Thai there. It's all good. And we'll toss a couple pink pickles. I think that's what it is, a pickle?
Yeah, pickle.
Yeah, all right, sweet. So now let's do this the mac. Actually, I'm gonna set this pepper aside for now. Roll her up like a good old burrito here. Yeah.
Oh, that's a fatty.
Look at this thing.
That's a fatty.
I'm supposed to eat this whole thing? All right, well, I guess you can only eat the whole thing by starting with the first bite. Wow. This is gonna keep me fed for literally days from now. But actually, since I rolled it up into a burrito, the first bite was tomatoes and onions, and yeah, it's fresh, it's good. Especially in this naan, as you can see, it's quite squishy. Made the way that I like it, where it's not like crispy. It's got a nice chew when it blends in with the flavors of the food here. So we're gonna do one more bite here and try and hopefully get the chicken on this one. That is good. We got some chicken in that bite, and it is made very well. You can tell it was grilled with some good spices on it. Yum for a good first meal. Made some proper progress. Almost finished that entire burrito here, but I am getting full. But I'm gonna power through this thing because it's been like 7 hours since I had a meal. So here we go. All right, first Iraqi meal was an absolute success here. Shukran, my friends, very good food. Thank you very much. Shukran, shukran, habibi. Yeah. Thank you so much. I've got a full belly though. Jeez, I am gonna need to hit the gym after the amount of food I've had since I've been in Kurdistan and Iraq. I am full. Shukran. So as always, thanks so much for watching, and if you guys hit that subscribe button, I can guarantee you'll see a lot more videos both here in Baghdad, Iraq, and all around the world. And if you guys can smash that like button, it helps so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.